I think the Camaro is here. Oh, there it is right here. Oh yeah, baby. Here. Nice. All right, so it's in the shop. Let's go ahead and get an overview on all the damage here. Okay, so just first off, one of the biggest questions I was asking is this a wrap? And based on what we see right here, I think it's gonna be a wrap. And the reason I wanted it to be a wrap is, one, because it's gonna be hard to find a paint match bumper to brown two-tone. Also because I think this color is tacky and I don't think it would sell very well. We have damage on the driver door, very small damage, can't really see it. These small pinholes. If you see in the front, it's crashed in the front. It crumpled this fender and all the front end assembly. Then we have some more small dents, scratches. That's all the damage. But this is crazy. I'm so glad I got a great deal on this, man. Oh, here's the beautiful red color. All right, so that's the color that we'll be working with if we decide to peel off all the wrap. But this is going to be our damage here. You could see that the airbox got pushed back because the crumple here. It got pushed back by the radiator. The front end collision pushed the crash bar to the right. It looks like it probably hit a pole or something. Probably going to need a new tie that goes here. But that's about it for the front end. If we go ahead and look inside, this is where my favorite part is. This thing is beautiful on the inside. We got the upgraded steering wheel, the new navigation system, the cream color, and one of the best things we got, the heads-up display. Let's see if we have anything in the trunk. Oh, we got some fender wells. We got little piece. Some of these. I don't know what these are. Uh-oh, what is this? Fuel injector cleaner. Hopefully there's not anything wrong with the fuel injectors. Before we move on, if y'all see my last videos, I was in a small garage that could barely fit one car. So I kind of outgrew it. I had no place to put all these parts. It was taking up most of the space. So now I moved to this storage area. It's a 750 square foot place that I rent now. It's like $400 a month. It's 100% worth it. And this is my first new project here. So we're nice and moved in now, ready to start this project. First thing we're gonna do is check the oils, because if there's no oil, then it probably had low oil pressure, and if they started it and messed up the engine, I don't want to start it. So we're gonna check the oil. Just check the oil just like any other car. We do indeed have oil, and it actually looks kind of new as well. Let me check the level real quick. You can see the level's about right where it should be. All right, let's see. First of all, I want to see if it's push to start. Hey, we got the push to start on the remote. That's a W. Let's go ahead and try her out. We're immediately gonna look down here at the oil pressure, see if it's good. Here we go. Oh, it's not stock. We got, come on, give me some oil pressure. Yes, awesome. We got oil pressure. Everything looks good. All right. Oh, we got no power steering. We're dragging, we got no power steering. Service parking assist. Ooh, we got some, definitely 100% got some, ooh, that's ugly sounding. I'm probably going to want the engine side to be this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear up the obstruction that we have in the front here. And then we're gonna turn this thing around.
A few moments later.
Holy crap! I cannot hear anything! What the hell is going on outside? Holy cow! Well, look what we have here. Bro, it's so loud in here. I know. You should have heard it earlier. It was so bad. Definitely not ready to be taken on the streets.
Yeah, definitely not. She needs some work.
Bro, that's so cool.
I wanted to peel up the wrap, but if you come take a look, it looks like the wrap's peeling up the clear coat. It looks like there's white over the red too. I might have to paint the whole car again. Hopefully not, but I mean, it looks like it's taking the clear coat off of it, which isn't good. Maybe, let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look here.
It's peeling pretty nice though.
Yeah, that's good. Think I should do it? It's a little matte. Definitely peel off the. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. That's a nice color. All right, so we're gonna see how much money we got to spend on making this run right again and be roadworthy. We're gonna start tearing it apart, see which parts we need to replace, see how much money we're gonna have to come out. Start it on here. All right. Cook. All right, so we might have some bad news. So this front like kind of tray here, I thought that it was something that you could just buy, like with the Mustang, you could just buy a whole new one of these. But it looks like we might have to do some welding on this.
All right.
And we're gonna. Oh shit, this is heavy. Put the camera down, Brandon. Come help me. We got our first part coming off that is resellable. So, $5. Have some bad news. Go ahead, give it here, Brandon. Give it right here. Brother, what does this look like right here? That's my frame. It's supposed to be straight. That's a bent frame, brother.
That's a good.
And if you take a look over here, we also have a bent frame on this side as well. So we've uncovered a bent frame. We tested that the power steering wasn't working. We just seen all this damage. We're gonna need a new top part for this, a new crash bar. And yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna make all of this. Quite a bit of damage here. I'm gonna get a good roundup of what needs to be fixed and quotes and seeing what parts I need to buy in order to get it in the correct position. It's a little bit more damage than I thought it was gonna be, which is a little saddening, but hey, what can you do about it? So, dude, watch out. Look at this little dude. Bro's bugging. Brandon's in trouble.
Okay.
3 days later.
All right, so guys, this is gonna be the end of the first video. This is the parts recap. Currently, we just finished the second video. We're in the future right now. Pretty good, I'm happy with the progress, but this is what we're gonna need, okay? I got it written down on this Cheerio box right here, okay? Starting off, number one, we need a fender, okay? One of them is bad and one of them is good. It's gonna cost about 150 bucks. The hood, 350 bucks. Painted, just a regular hood, doesn't have like the louvers in it or whatever you call it. It's just for a regular hood, it's 350, all right? For the washer reservoir, which we're going to need, is 50. We also need the coolant reservoir, which is probably gonna be another 50. And then I did a quote for the full paint job, okay? That includes paint, paint gun, all paint materials, sanding materials, everything. Got up to about $700. I use ChatGPT if you're wondering. Freaking W tool. But next we have, and so in next video, you'll see that we went to a junkyard and we got some parts and we got them for a good deal. So I'm throwing another $550 in for a bunch of parts that you guys will see in the next video. And then we have the power steering. So there's a problem with the power steering. I don't know what it is. I did some research. I'm thinking it might be a ground because it's electric power steering. It's not fluid power steering. So there's probably, it's going to be an electrical issue that I have to figure out. But just in case it's not wiring and I need a new power steering, whatever, rack and pinion, that's 300 bucks. And then we have the title and registration is 200 bucks. And then let's see, we got wheels or cam, right? We're choosing between the both. And I did some research and I don't think that I'm gonna want anything under a stage 2. And I'm probably gonna have to do a converter if I do get a stage 2. So that's too much work just to sell it. If I was keeping it, I would definitely do it, but I don't think we're gonna do the cam. I think we'll probably put some wheels on it, take them off when we sell them, just look good for, you know, while we got them. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'll put the parts total up on the screen. Say hi to little honey nut guy. But you guys have a wonderful day. Thank y'all so much for watching. And we're back, baby. We're back. I'll see you in the next one.